Hello everyone, this is the Appery team, and in this video, we want to show you how to create a mobile application using DeepSeek generative artificial intelligence. We will use Appery, the leading low-code development platform for mobile apps. Create a new application and select the DeepSeek template. Click the test button to try it out. Ask DeepSeek to convert the word hello into base64 format. We received a message saying that we need to specify an API key. To generate it, we go to the DeepSeek platform, create a key, copy it, return to Appery. Enter it in the Model and Storage section. Paste copied value, save the application. Repeat our test. Now we received a response from DeepSeek. Let's see how our application works. In the Pages section, open the page named DeepSeek. If we click the Send button on the screen, we see that it calls the Send Message method. Go to the Code tab. Open the Functions section. Take a look at the Send Message function code. We have a global variable chat messages that stores all messages. The text entered by the user is stored in the text variable. Next, we call the fetch DeepSeek stream function, which returns an observer where we define the code that will be executed when we receive a response from DeepSeek. Let's look at another example where we use DeepSeek to translate text from English to Spanish. Update the routing and set the initial page to translation and test it. Enter the word home. Click Translate. We see how home is translated into Spanish. Let's analyze how this page works. When we click the Translate button, the corresponding method is called. Open its code. See that it is very simple. We send a request and receive a response. Last step is to build the mobile application. Select Export and then Binary APK. A few minutes later, the application is built. Scan the QR code with a phone. Open the link. Download the file. Install the application. Test it. In just a few minutes, we have created a mobile application using DeepSeek. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel.